What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best wall-mounted toilets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Kohler Vale wall-hung toilet is a testament to modern bathroom innovation, offering a space-saving and elegant solution for contemporary homes. This toilet's defining feature is its wall-mounted design, where the toilet bowl hangs effortlessly on the wall, and all mounting hardware is cleverly concealed. This not only creates a seamless and visually appealing look, but also makes cleaning a breeze by eliminating nooks where dirt could accumulate. Available in various colors and designs, the Vale series includes the Vale Intelligent Wall-Hung Toilet, which boasts integrated personal cleansing functionality and a convenient touchscreen LCD remote control. Another option is the Vale Compact Elongated Dual Flush Toilet, featuring a fully skirted trapway and a wall-mount design, enhancing the toilet's aesthetic appeal and space efficiency. In addition to its stylish design, the Vale wall-hung toilet is engineered to save significant bathroom space, freeing up as much as 12 inches when compared to Kohler's longest floor-mount models. Furthermore, it is environmentally conscious, being WaterSense certified and utilizing at least 20% less water than standard toilets, contributing to water conservation efforts. The Vale wall-hung toilet's blend of innovation, eco-friendliness, and ease of maintenance makes it a practical and hygienic choice for any home. Its seamless, easy-to-clean design, coupled with its eco-friendly features and stylish options, positions it as an ideal choice for modern bathrooms, perfectly balancing form and function. The Hindware Tankless S1 Water Closet is a revolutionary bathroom fixture that combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design. This innovative toilet redefines modern bathroom aesthetics and functionality. The Tankless S1 features a sleek and space-saving design. Being wall-mounted, it not only saves precious floor space, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. The rounded shape enhances its visual appeal, making it suitable for a variety of bathroom styles. One of the standout features of the Tankless S1 is its tankless design, which eliminates the traditional water tank found in conventional toilets. This tankless technology not only saves space, but also promotes water conservation. It operates efficiently, providing a powerful flush while using minimal water, contributing to eco-friendly living. In addition to its space-saving and eco-friendly design, the Tankless S1 offers user comfort and convenience. Its ergonomically designed seat and height make it comfortable to use for people of all ages. The easy-to-clean surface and minimal crevices ensure hassle-free maintenance, enhancing hygiene standards. Furthermore, the Tankless S1 from Hindware showcases durable construction and excellent build quality, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its sleek and modern appearance, coupled with its advanced technology and user-friendly features, makes it a top choice for those looking to upgrade their bathroom with a contemporary and efficient toilet solution. Whether in a residential home, office, or commercial space, the Tankless S1 Water Closet is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and sustainability. The American Standard Studio S toilet combines contemporary design with efficient functionality, making it an ideal choice for modern bathrooms. Its sleek and low-profile tank design not only adds a touch of elegance to the bathroom, but also makes it perfect for spaces with limited room. Despite its compact size, the Studio S toilet delivers powerful flush performance, ensuring effective waste removal and cleanliness. One of its standout features is its water-saving technology. The Studio S toilet is designed to be water-efficient, meeting WaterSense certification standards. This not only helps conserve water, but also reduces utility costs, promoting sustainability and eco-friendly living. Installation and maintenance are hassle-free due to its user-friendly design and standard dimensions. The toilet is crafted from durable materials, specifically vitreous china, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Additionally, the slow-close seat feature enhances convenience, preventing loud slamming and extending the life of the seat. In summary, the American Standard Studio S toilet offers a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and environmental consciousness. Its space-saving design, water-saving technology, and easy maintenance make it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a contemporary and practical toilet solution that complements the aesthetics of modern living spaces. The Noken Concept Intelligent Shower Toilet is a state-of-the-art bathroom fixture that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with elegant design. This innovative toilet redefines the standards of luxury and hygiene in modern bathrooms. The Noken Concept boasts a sleek and contemporary appearance, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any bathroom. Its minimalist design, clean lines, and compact form factor make it suitable for various interior styles. However, its beauty is not only skin-deep, it comes equipped with advanced features that prioritize user comfort and hygiene. One of its key features is the integrated bidet functionality, offering personalized cleansing options for superior hygiene. The toilet includes adjustable water temperature and pressure settings, ensuring a gentle and comfortable cleaning experience. Additionally, it features a warm air dryer, eliminating the need for toilet paper and promoting sustainability. The Noken Concept also includes a deodorizer, ensuring that the bathroom always stays fresh and odor-free. Its soft-close seat adds to the convenience, preventing loud slamming and prolonging the lifespan of the seat. Furthermore, this intelligent toilet incorporates a user-friendly control panel, allowing users to customize their experience easily. The toilet is also designed with energy-saving features, promoting eco-friendly usage while providing a luxurious experience. In summary, the Noken Concept toilet offers a harmonious blend of elegance, functionality, and innovation. It not only elevates the overall look of the bathroom but also provides unparalleled comfort, hygiene, and convenience, making it a top choice for those seeking a premium and technologically advanced toilet solution. The ROCA in-tank toilet is a revolutionary bathroom fixture that combines contemporary design with innovative technology. This toilet stands out for its unique in-tank design, where the traditional cistern is integrated directly into the bowl, creating a sleek and seamless profile. The in-tank toilet is a space-saving marvel, ideal for bathrooms with limited space. Its compact form factor and concealed tank not only save space but also add a touch of modern elegance to any bathroom decor. The integrated tank design also simplifies installation, making it a practical choice for both renovations and new constructions. One of the standout features of the in-tank toilet is its efficient flushing system. The inbuilt tank ensures optimal water usage for each flush, promoting water conservation without compromising on performance. This eco-friendly approach aligns with modern sensibilities, making it an environmentally conscious choice. In terms of aesthetics, the in-tank toilet offers a clean and minimalist look. Its smooth lines and seamless construction make it easy to clean, reducing the hassle of maintenance. The absence of external tanks and pipes not only enhances the visual appeal but also eliminates potential points of wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting durability. Moreover, this toilet is designed with user comfort in mind. Its ergonomic shape and standard height provide a comfortable seating experience for users of all ages. The ROCA in-tank toilet is a testament to innovative design, offering a perfect balance of form, functionality, and eco-friendliness for modern bathrooms.